Yo, what's going on guys? It's Double back again with another video. Hope you guys having an amazing day. And so today I'm gonna be doing something fun challenge. So I'm gonna be eating this spicy Cheetos. So this is really hot because I really like spicy Cheetos. So right now, I'm gonna be opening this. No. Okay, so let's start off on this. Look at that. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off gonna eating. So yeah. It's not that bad. It started getting a little bit spicy. My eyes are watering right now. My tongue just started getting hotter. Started red right now. So right. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get myself a drink right now, so I'll be right back. Just drank a bit of water, so I'm starting getting thirsty. Okay, so yeah, let's get eating. It's getting spicy right now. Is my lips is a bit so hot right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end it right here. So hope you enjoyed this video, right? And I want you guys to give this video a like and subscribe and turn on my notifications on. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.